Hello everyone, welcome back to ELC Studies, and today I am here with a new topic that is about the writing process. Writing is not a magic, we know, and there are several stages of writing, and each one of these stages is essential. We are going to discuss about the four important and major stages of writing, that is the pre-writing, writing, the we can say a draft, and revising and editing. First of all, we will discuss about pre-writing. What do we have to do in pre-writing? First of all, we have to brainstorming, right? We have to do brainstorming. Then we have to choose or narrow our topic, but we have brainstorming. Then we have to determine. So, what we have to determine? We have to determine our audience, our purpose of writing, the tone, our point of view, and of course, our tense. Then, the third step in pre writing is about exploring our topic. We can explore it by visiting library, we can explore it by internet, by reading many articles, by searching our topic from the websites, from different articles, from books. And then the last thing, we have to make a plan, right? So pre-writing is the process of coming up with ideas for your writing. Writing, for example, essay writing, for example, any documentation. And this is not formal writing. This is not a polished writing. This is just a pre-writing. But it has its starts and it has its end. What does it mean from the start? It means that it has a proper introduction. It has a proper introduction, body paragraphs, and a proper conclusion. The next stage is writing or drafting. During the writing stage, you should create your essay's title first, then compose a draft. And a draft is the first whole version of all your ideas that you put together. We can say that it's a dress rehearsal. It contains title, intro, body paragraphs. After giving title to your essay, first of all, you have to develop the proper introduction and conclusion. Then you have to develop the proper body paragraphs that contains topic sentence, at least 2 examples, and detailed sport. Each type of essay follows a proper a standard structure. And what we have to do for a standard structure, we have to follow a 7 C's. The video for 7C is coming soon, so wait for that video. There should be a unity, coherence between the body paragraphs, and sporting details is very much important. Like your thesis statement, your essay cannot be complete without a thesis statement. The third stage is revising. Revising is actually finding and correcting problems with content, changing the ideas in your writing to make them clearer, stronger, and more convincing. Revising looks at the big picture, means on the ideal level. There are some revision tips like take a break from your draft first of all. Read your draft out loud and listen to your words. Imagine yourself as a reader and look for consistent problem areas and get feedback from the peers. It looks for unity, means does everything refer back to the main point? It looks for detail and sport. It means does each body paragraph contains at least 2 examples or it has a sporting detail? Then it looks for coherence, that all the points connect to from a whole. When you finish revising a final draft that you are happy with, you can begin to prepare it for release, whether you are submitting it to your examiner, to your teacher, an associate, or publisher. Moreover, It's a good idea to distance yourself from your work for a short while so that you can revisit it anew and pick up any final problems. External feedback is especially important at this stage so try to gather as many options on your work as possible. Proofreading is also essential at this stage to make sure your piece is as presentable, as accessible as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe so that we come up with an upgraded and emerging versions of videos. Thank you.